Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home first aid kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're at home, on the road, or adventuring outdoors, these kits will have you covered in case of an emergency. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Amorning 276 PCS First Aid Kit. This kit is a compact and lightweight option, perfect for those who value portability. Measuring just 7.8 by 5.55 by 2.9 inches and weighing only 1 pound, this kit is ideal for everyday use and outdoor adventures. The EVA water-resistant material ensures that your supplies stay dry and protected, even in less than ideal conditions. It's a great option for camping, hiking, or keeping in your car. The Amorning kit includes a wide array of items, such as adhesive bandages, scissors, tweezers, safety pins, and even an emergency blanket. While it has a respectable 276 pieces, the kit is more focused on basic supplies, rather than specialized tools for specific emergencies. The organization of the items could be better, as there are no labeled compartments, which might make it difficult to quickly find what you need in an urgent situation. This kit is best suited for those who need a basic portable first aid solution. However, it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked kits, such as waterproof compartments or premium build quality. Pros include its lightweight design and decent range of supplies, while cons are its lack of compartmentalized organization and relatively basic selection of tools. Overall, it's a good choice for casual users, but might not be sufficient for more demanding scenarios. Coming in at number 4 is the Vrixt Mini First Aid Kit. This compact and portable kit includes 150 professional-grade medical supplies, making it a great choice for those who need a lightweight option for emergencies. Its hard shell casing is made of waterproof EVA material, ensuring that your supplies stay safe and dry. At just 6.4 by 4.9 by 2.7 inches and 0.73 pounds. This kit is easy to carry and features a bonus carabiner for attaching to backpacks or vehicles. One standout feature is its smart area classification design. The interior is divided into small compartments, making it easy to locate items quickly during an emergency. It includes essentials such as bandages, gloves, povidone iodine prep pads, and a tourniquet, all of which are latex-free. However, with only 150 pieces, this kit is more suitable for minor injuries and doesn't offer the depth of supplies needed for more serious emergencies. This kit is ideal for those who want a simple, portable solution for outdoor activities or keeping in their car. It's affordable, durable, and well-organized, but its smaller size limits its versatility. Pros include its waterproof hard shell, lightweight design, and compartmentalized interior, while cons are its limited number of supplies and lack of specialized tools. If you're looking for a basic, easy-to-carry kit, this is a solid option. At number 3, we have the First Aid Only 299-piece all-purpose emergency first aid kit. This kit strikes a great balance between portability and comprehensiveness, making it a versatile choice for home, office, or travel. The kit comes in a soft-sided, zippered case with 2 layers and clear plastic pockets, ensuring quick and easy access to its contents. The 299 pieces include a wide range of supplies, such as adhesive bandages, antibiotic ointments, antiseptic towelettes, burn cream packets, and a cold pack. It's HSA and FSA eligible, which is a nice bonus for those looking to use pre-tax dollars for safety supplies. While it's not waterproof, the soft case is compact enough to fit in a glove box, backpack, or drawer, making it a convenient option for on-the-go first aid. This kit is perfect for individuals or families looking for a well-rounded, easy-to-carry first aid solution. However, the soft case doesn't offer the same level of protection as hard shell designs, and it's not specifically designed for rugged outdoor use. Pros include its well-organized layout, extensive range of supplies, and compact design, while cons are its lack of waterproofing and less durable build. Overall, it's a reliable choice for general use. In second place is the Vrixt Premium First Aid Kit, boasting 320 professional-grade medical supplies. This kit is a step up from the smaller Vrixt Mini Kit, offering more comprehensive coverage for a wide variety of emergencies. It features the same waterproof EVA hard shell design, but with increased dimensions of 8.65 by 5.88 by 3.54 inches, making it slightly larger but still very portable. The interior is well organized with categorized compartments for easy access. Supplies include bandages, tourniquets, povidone iodine prep pads, and metal tweezers. Its water-resistant outer zipper and tough EVA surface make it ideal for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and travel. This kit is also suitable for home or office use, providing peace of mind in a durable package. The Vrixesti Premium Kit is perfect for those who want a balance of portability and thoroughness. It's well suited for families, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who needs a robust emergency kit. Pros include its durable, waterproof design, extensive range of supplies, and excellent organization, while cons are its slightly larger size compared to smaller kits. If you're looking for a reliable kit with a broad selection of items, this one won't disappoint. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the TLIEAO 330-piece First Aid Kit. This kit stands out for its incredible range of supplies and thoughtful design. With 330 pieces, it's the most comprehensive kit on our list, covering everything from bandages and gloves to a tourniquet and an instant ice pack. It meets international medical standards and is 100% latex-free, ensuring suitability for a wide audience. The build quality is exceptional, with a durable, tear-resistant 1680D polyester fiber outer shell. The interior features labeled compartments, making it easy to locate items during emergencies. The reflective piping on the front adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing the kit to be found easily in low light conditions. At 9.45 by 5.91 by 3.94 inches and 2.1 pounds, it's slightly heavier, but the added weight is justified by the wealth of supplies and robust construction. This kit is ideal for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals who need a reliable, high-capacity first aid solution. It's versatile enough for home, car, or office use, and rugged enough for outdoor adventures. Pros include its extensive range of supplies, durable design, and organized compartments, while the only con is its slightly larger size. If you want the best of the best, the TLIEAO First Aid Kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.